Exciting announcement! Boinkers new airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the Boinkers Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. Boinkers, Project Overview, Airdrop Details and Upcoming Listing. Boinkers is an emerging Web3 project gaining significant traction within the crypto and gaming communities. Leveraging engaging gameplay mechanics and the in-game utility of its native token, $Boink, the project is capturing the attention of both players and investors. Below is a comprehensive breakdown covering the Boinkers Airdrop, token listing, price predictions, and preparation strategies. How to prepare for the Boinkers Airdrop. Follow these steps to maximize your eligibility and potential rewards. Register on the airdrop page. Sign up on the official Boinkers.io airdrop page using your email. Start playing the game. Begin your journey by playing the game and collecting $Boink tokens through core gameplay. Collect tokens consistently. Actively gather $Boink during your sessions. Consistent engagement could influence your reward size. Participate in events and challenges. Watch for limited-time challenges and collectible items like artifacts, which have historically led to real rewards. Hold valuable in-game items. Keep any special collectibles, e.g., toilet brush artifacts, as they might be tied to future distributions. Engage with the community. Join Boinkers' official social media channels and Telegram groups to stay updated on announcements and hidden opportunities. Track announcements. Stay alert for any official news about airdrops or token launches via Boinkers' official platforms. Boinkers token listing expectations. While an official listing date has not been shared, the Boink token is expected to be listed in Q1 2025. The listing process will likely follow these phases. End of mining phase. Conclusion of the in-game $Boink earnings cycle. Token allocation calculation. Finalization of rewards distribution based on player activity and holdings. Exchange agreements. Securing listings on both centralized and decentralized platforms. Official listing announcement. Date and time shared across official channels. Live listing on exchanges. Token goes public for trading. Boink price forecast. At this stage, predicting the price of $Boink is speculative due to limited public tokenomics. However, key influencing factors include level of community engagement, launch day trading volume, overall crypto market conditions, token supply and distribution model. A strong community and limited initial supply could create high volatility and potential for early price spikes. Preparing for the Boink token listing. To position yourself for the listing event, take the following steps. Create accounts on exchanges. Register in advance on platforms likely to list Boink. Complete KYC verification. Most centralized exchanges require identity verification for full trading access. Use referral programs. Sign up through referral links for added benefits and bonuses. Subscribe for updates. Follow Boinkers and exchange platforms on social media for real-time news. Plan your strategy. Decide in advance whether to flip early for short-term gains. Hold for long-term growth. Utilize hybrid strategies like Vela's short spot method for better outcomes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Boinkers in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. **